Hello guys. In this video, we will show you how to upgrade the RAM in your laptop. In this case, we are working on Asus TUF 15 FX-506LH laptop. So let's get started. First, unscrew all the screws from the back case. There will be a total of around 10 screws. Next step is to disconnect the battery. This step is optional, as you may continue without disconnecting the battery. Next, ground your laptop to remove any remaining electric charge by pressing any metal parts of the laptop. Here we are going to add an additional 8GB RAM to the existing 8GB RAM, making a total of 16GB. Insert the RAM at a slightly tilted angle of 45 degrees. Once the RAM has been inserted, press it down slowly to lock it in place. You can now put the back case on. Make sure the back case is properly locked in before putting the screws back in its place. To check whether your RAM is installed properly, turn on the laptop, right-click on the taskbar and click on Task Manager. Then click on Performance tab on the left. Here you can see that the RAM has been installed properly. Congratulations! You have now successfully upgraded the RAM in your laptop. Make sure to hit a like and subscribe to our channel if you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.